Hello everybody and welcome. I'm here in the south of Tenerife in beautiful Golf del Sur, where the ocean breeze makes it easy to relax and breathe. Today, I'll guide you for 5 simple Tai Chi moves perfect for beginners, designed to calm your mind, improve balance and boost your energy. So are you ready? Take a breath with me and let's begin. If you feel pain or discomfort during these movements, stop immediately and rest. Consult a health professional if needed. Always listen to your body. Let's begin. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart, knees soft, upper body straight. Concentrate on your belly and breathe deeply. Inhale and exhale through the nose. Feel your center. You can pause the video anytime to practice longer. As you inhale, slowly lift your arms, imagining you are reaching for pure energy from the sky. As you exhale, wash stress and tension away as your hands float back down. Let's repeat. Inhale, gathering energy. Exhale, cleansing the body, washing away stress, tension, and impurities from the body. Once more, calm and smooth. Now inhale deeply, drawing energy up through your feet. Let it rise all the way to your chest as your arms lift. Exhale, open the arms wide, stretching the chest, releasing negative thoughts and letting them dissolve like smoke. Repeat. Inhale from the earth. Exhale to cleanse. And once more, slow and steady. To finish the exercise, slowly raise your hands. Then, guide them down, resting your focus in the lower abdomen, your center, where calm and energy gather. We now unite heaven and earth. Inhale, guide your hands up to the center line of your body. Exhale, open the arms, washing away stress and anxiety. Again, we inhale, but this time continue upwards, grabbing the sky's energy. Exhale, hands flow down your midline, cleansing and restoring balance. Now let's repeat. Stay aware of your posture. Keep your breath deep in the abdomen and let the shoulders remain soft and relaxed during the exercises. We continue with the next one. Place feet together. Turn your left foot outward. As you turn left, your left arm drifts back, palm facing up, right hand near the elbow, palm down. Returning forward, shift your weight, left palm up, right palm brushing down. Arms shaped like a graceful S. Relax the shoulders. For balance support, lift your right heel slightly. Now we close the exercise, bringing the hands up and back to the center, then float to the other side. Turn your right foot as the body follows, right arm up, left palm near the elbow. Turn back, brush the knee with the left hand as the right palm lifts. Shift weight to the right leg, heel up, shoulders relaxed, posture tall. Then close the exercise. Bring your focus back to the center. Now with the breathing, inhale as you turn left. Exhale, turning back as the crane opens its wings. Advanced practitioners may step into the cat stance, stepping out and touching the floor with your toes, keeping the weight on your back leg, knee in line with your toes. To close the exercise, we inhale, raising the hands up, and and exhale, bringing them back down. Let's repeat a few times, letting the wings unfold smoothly, then return to center. Now remember to keep your spine tall, shoulders soft, and breathe deep into the belly. Stay mindful and connected to each movement. Let's repeat a few more times. Let's finish the exercise, raising the arms up, bringing the hands together, and gently return your focus back to your center. Let's continue with the next one. Feet together, form a ball with your hands, left beneath right. Inhale, lift the left hand to nose height as the right lowers near your hip. Keep a nice and straight posture. Exhale, return to the ball, right hand beneath left. Then inhale, lifting right up, left hand pressing down. Now we add balance. As the left hand rises, shift your weight onto your right foot and lift the left heel slightly. Stay rooted and steady. Then return to form the ball and repeat to the other side. When ready, raising the knee to hip height, crown connects to the sky, body rooted and steady. Repeat gently from side to side, each breath guiding the movement. Stay relaxed as you move, letting each motion flow smoothly into the next. Let's finish the exercise. Raise your hands gently, then lower them slowly, centering your breath in the belly. Stand tall, breathe deeply, and take a moment to simply be present. Well done! These 5 simple Tai Chi moves can be a start of a calmer, more balanced day. Practice them often and you will notice your energy flowing more freely. If you enjoyed the session, please like and subscribe the channel and join me for the next routine. It's waiting for you right here. Until then, stay relaxed, keep on moving and let your energy flow.